Telling time, o'clock. Ichiji, 1 o'clock. Niji, 2 o'clock. Sanji, 3 o'clock. Yoji, 4 o'clock. Goji, 5 o'clock. Rokuji, 6 o'clock. Shichiji, 7 o'clock. Hachiji, 8 o'clock. Kuji, 9 o'clock. Joji, 10 o'clock. Juichiji, 11 o'clock. Juniji, 12 o'clock. Nanji, what time? Used to ask the time. Minutes. Ipon, 1 minute. Nipon, 2 minutes. Sanpon, 3 minutes. Yunpon, 4 minutes. Gofon, 5 minutes. Rukpon, 6 minutes. Nanafon, Shichifon, 7 minutes. Hapon, 8 minutes. Kyopon, 9 minutes. Jupon, Jippon, 10 minutes. Jugopon, 15 minutes. Sanjupon, Sanjipon, Han, 30 minutes. Half past the hour. Nanpon, how many minutes? Used to ask about the number of minutes. The days of the week. Nichiyobi, Sunday. Getsuyobi, Monday. Kayobi, Tuesday. Soyobi, Wednesday. Mokoyobi, Thursday. Kenyobi, Friday. Doyobi, Saturday. Nanyobi, what day of the week? Used to ask which day of the week it is. Date, month. Ichigatsu, January. Nigatsu, February. Sangatsu, March. Shigatsu, April. Gogatsu, May. Rokugatsu, June. Shichigatsu, July. Hachigatsu, August. Kogatsu, September. Jugatsu, October. Joichigatsu, November. Junigatsu, December. Nangatsu, what month? What month? Used to ask about the month. Day. Tsuitachi, first day of the month. Futsuka, second day of the month. Mikka, third day of the month. Yokka, fourth day of the month. Itsuka, fifth day of the month. Moika, sixth day of the month. Nanoka, seventh day of the month. Yoka, eighth day of the month. Kokonoka, ninth day of the month. Toka, 10th day of the month. Joichinichi, 11th day of the month. Juninichi, 12th day of the month. Jusanichi, 13th day of the month. Joyoka, 14th day of the month. Jogonichi, 15th day of the month. Jorokonichi, 16th day of the month. Joshichinichi, 17th day of the month. Johachinichi, 18th day of the month. Jokonichi, 19th day of the month. Hatsuka, 20th day of the month. Nijuichinichi, 21st day of the month. Nijuninichi, 22nd day of the month. Nijusanichi, 23rd day of the month. Nijuyoka, 24th day of the month. Nijugonichi, 25th day of the month. Nijurokunichi, 26th day of the month. Nijushinichi, 27th day of the month. Nijuhachinichi, 28th day of the month. Nijukunichi, 29th day of the month. Sanjunichi, 30th day of the month. Sanjuichinichi, 31st day of the month. Nanichi, what day of the month? Used to ask about a specific day of the month. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!